All right, so we ready to actually jump into homework or whatnot? Okay, I'm in tablet mode and I never know how to run tablet mode. Let's put the keyboard back on here. That way I can do keyboard. Yes, I want to exit the tablet mode. That way I can go over here and pull up the home. So while we're waiting for that to pull up, reminder, homework 4 is due this weekend, right? No, homework 3 is due this weekend, yeah. And then on Wednesday or so, I'll hand out a test covering the first 3 homeworks, and then we won't have class Friday.
I'm more than likely, like 90% sure I won't be here.
Okay. We don't even have to come on Friday if you don't want to. Do you want to come on Friday?
The homework will be due that week too, right? It'll be the test and the homework due.
Yeah, so the test, the homework 4 will be due on Sunday. The test will be due on Monday. That's when you'll be back. So, all right, I guess we're in university physics at the moment. That's a good place to start too. Ooh, there's a 3.
You know, we started something on homework 3 that I really don't appreciate.
What's that?
Those freaking questions where you got to type in here.
I'm sorry. Okay, so this is kind of a university problem. I don't know if I want to do a strictly university problem first, because I want Cindy to learn something too. So let me look at the 3 that came after it. Okay, sure. This might be kind of a university problem too, but we'll pretend. Okay, so a group of particles is traveling in a magnetic field of unknown magnitude and direction. You observe that a proton moving that fast in the x direction experiences a force that hard in the y direction. An electron moving at that in the z direction experiences a force of that in the y direction. What is the magnitude of the magnetic field? What's the direction of the magnetic field? What's the magnitude of the magnetic force? Okay. So let me go to college physics, because that really is a university physics problem. I kind of want to start with something that both of y'all can do. So notice in this particular assignment, all we're talking about is what do magnetic fields do. We're not talking about where do they come from. That's going to be homework 6. We'll start talking about what creates magnetic fields. What? What did I say?
I thought you put the homework 3. Was it homework 5?
No, it's homework 5.
Oh.
Okay. Well, I should make that bigger, shouldn't I? Okay, a non-Be nucleus has 4 protons and 5 neutrons, and the mass of that traveling vertically at that. This particle suddenly enters a horizontal magnetic field of 1.5 Tesla from west to east. Find the direction of the acceleration vector the instant it enters the field. It's going from west to east, and it's traveling vertically. So it's the same picture that we've drawn several times now. Magnetic field's going that way. It's traveling that way. So V cross B goes straight into the board, which if that's east, straight into the board would be north. Does that sound right?
Yeah, that's what I would say.
North. Okay. Okay, now for the magnitude, it's just Well, the magnitude of the force is QVB sine theta, but we're going perpendicular, so theta is 1. So it's just QVB. So we're looking for the magnitude of the acceleration. All right. 1.8, 4 protons, and 1.5. So the force is QVB, which is 4 times the proton is 1.6 10 to the minus 19th. V, it was 150 kilometers, was that right? 1.8 kilometers. Well, let me change it to meters. So 1,800 meters per second, and then T was 1.5. So that's my force, but it asks for acceleration. So again, acceleration is force over mass. So we're just going to do that, but then divide it by whatever the mass was. 1.5 times 10 to the minus 26. All right. Let's grab our little calculator. This is a very sad calculator. 4 times 1.6 times 1,800 times 1.5 is that. So that's 10 to the 4th. And then I've also got a 10 to the 7th from 19 over 26. The 1.73 times 10 to the 10 to the 11th. So that means kilometers per second. Mass, 4 protons and 5 neutrons. So that is the charge with 4 protons. Mass is 1.8. Oh, I didn't. Yeah, sorry. I don't know what I did. Yeah. When I divided, I just did the 10 to the 26 part. I forgot about the 1.5 in front of it. So, yeah. Anyway, make good sense.